Engine oil pump explained. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where we break down everything you need to know in the simplest, clearest, and most exciting way possible. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever thought about what keeps your engine running smoothly without grinding itself to pieces? Well, today we are diving into the engine oil pump, the heart of your engine's lubrication system. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it does, how it works, why it's so important, and the different types of oil pumps you'll find in engines. Trust me, you'll never look at your engine the same way again. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Why the oil pump is important. Imagine running full speed without drinking water. You'd overheat, collapse, and shut down. That's exactly what would happen to an engine without an oil pump. The oil pump is basically the circulatory system of your engine. Just like your heart pumps blood, the oil pump circulates oil through every critical moving part. It reduces friction, cools the engine, and prevents metal parts from welding themselves together. Without an oil pump, your engine would seize up in just a few minutes. That's why this small but mighty component is so critical. How the oil pump works. So, how does it actually do its job? Here's the process step by step. 1. Oil pickup. The pump draws oil from the oil pan or sump through a strainer, which keeps out dirt and debris. 2. Pressurizing the oil. The pump pressurizes the oil so it can travel through passages in the engine block. 3. Distribution. That pressurized oil flows to key areas: the crankshaft, camshaft, pistons, valve train, and bearings. 4. Cooling and cleaning. As it circulates, oil not only reduces friction, but also carries away heat and tiny metal particles, keeping the engine clean and cool. Think of it as both a cooling and a cleaning system working quietly in the background. Types of engine oil pumps. Now, not all oil pumps are created equal. Different engines use different designs depending on power, efficiency, and space. 1. Gear pump. The most common type. It uses 2 interlocking gears to push oil around. Simple, durable, and effective. 2. Rotor pump, or gerotor pump. Uses an inner and outer rotor to move oil. It's compact and efficient, often found in modern engines. 3. Vane pump. It uses rotating vanes that expand and contract to pump oil. Less common, but still used in some applications. 4. Variable displacement pump. This is the high-tech option. It adjusts oil flow depending on engine speed and load, which improves fuel economy and efficiency. Each type has its strengths, but the goal is always the same: keep oil moving under the right pressure. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. What happens if the oil pump fails? This is where things get scary. A failing oil pump is like a failing heart. It can shut down the entire system. Signs of a bad oil pump include oil pressure warning light coming on, louder engine noise due to insufficient lubrication, overheating because the oil isn't cooling properly, and in severe cases, complete engine seizure. Ignoring these signs is like ignoring chest pain. You're asking for catastrophic damage. Maintenance and care. Now here's the good news. You don't have to replace your oil pump often, but you do need to care for it. Regular oil changes. Dirty, sludgy oil is the #1 killer of oil pumps. Fresh oil keeps everything flowing. Use the right oil. Always stick to the viscosity recommended by your car manufacturer. Check oil levels. Running low on oil starves the pump. And listen for warning signs. That oil pressure light is not a suggestion. It's a warning. Take care of your oil pump, and it will take care of your engine. Fun fact and wrap up. Here's something you probably didn't know. The oil pump in a modern car can push out up to 30 liters of oil per minute when the engine is at high RPM. That's like emptying a big water cooler in less than 2 minutes. Pretty insane for such a small component, right? So there you have it, the engine oil pump explained. It might not get as much attention as the turbo or the pistons, but without it, your engine wouldn't last more than a few minutes. Next time you start your car, remember, That little pump is working tirelessly to keep everything running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more clear and simple breakdowns, and drop a comment below. What other engine components would you like me to explain next? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.